Alright, we have 2 by 2 square matrix. Okay, let's name this one. Okay, so let's say A. Alright, matrix A. What is the inverse? Okay, simply you know that inverse of 7 is negative first power, so which is 1 over 7, right? If you multiply 7 times inverse, which is negative first power, which is going to be negative 0 power actually, so which is 1, right? Okay, so that means we call multiplicative inverse. Okay, so also we call this one is 1, we call identity. Alright, see, 1 times anything is that itself. Okay, so do not lose identity. Alright, so actually we are looking for matrix A to the negative first power, which is negative 1 power right there. Okay, so that means, wait a minute, okay, inverse matrix. Simply I tell you, the first step is this one. Okay, you gotta find the cofactor. You know what cofactor means, right? Cofactor means like x, y. It's a cofactor each other, right? Okay, cofactor of x is y. Okay, so on. So in this case, you multiply, so 3 times 4. Okay, that means cofactor of 3 is 4. Alright, 4 goes right there. Then cofactor of 4 is 3. Cofactor of 5 is 2. And so on. Okay, so 5. Oh yes, that's the first step. Okay, to find out that. Alright, now you gotta apply sign value. Sign value means we're talking about positive or negative value. Okay, so let me tell you, the first one always positive. Okay, like this one. So we have big matrix like this one. Okay, then first one is a positive, negative, positive, negative. I call pane business. Okay, so on. Okay, so such like this one. Negative, then positive, negative, positive, so on. Okay, this one should be negative, positive, negative, positive, so on. Okay, so actually the value of the sign right here, okay, sign value is positive, so that's why negative 4. No, positive 4. Okay, this one still positive 3. But what about this one? This is negative pane, so that's why this one is negative. Okay, negative. Then next step is you gotta find out transpose. You know what transpose? Okay, transpose means you gotta change the place. Okay, position. Pose. Okay, transpose of this one is simple, very simple. You just make one shaft right here like this. Okay, then you spin this one 180 degrees. Okay, so 4 and 3 not gonna move at all, right? 4 and 3 stay there. Okay, but what about negative 2 and negative 5? Yes. Okay, they exchange the place, right? Okay, so this is gonna be negative 5. This is gonna be negative 2. Wow, that's it. So now, so far, we found, you know what? A joint. A joint, they call a joint or adjugate. Okay? So, we found a joint. So now, real, okay, this. Okay, so A negative first power, which is inverse, is 1 over determinant times that adjoint. Okay, so adjoint of A. Okay, that's it. Okay, so which is 1 over, you know what this one is? You just multiply this way. That's a 12 minus 10. Oh, which is 2. All right, times, okay, adjoint, which is 4, negative 2, negative 5, and 3. So half of 4 is 2. Okay, this one, negative 1. What about this one? Negative 5 over 2. This one, 3 over 2. Okay, that's it. All right. This one is inverse. Fantastic, man. So that means matrix A times inverse matrix should be identity, right? Which is 1. Okay, that means, so matrix A, which is 3, 5, 2, 4, okay, times, okay, so inverse right there. So 2, negative 1, negative 5 over 2, 3 over 2, then we should get identity, which is identity means what? Okay, looks like this 1, 1, 0, 0. You remember, right? This means 1. Okay, 1 minus 0. That's why. Okay, we gotta check. When you multiply this matrix, you multiply this one, row and column. You know that, right? Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times negative 1, that's 1. Ooh, we right. What about this one? Okay, this row and this column. Okay, 2 times 2 minus 4 times negative 1. Actually, negative 1 means minus. So it's going to be 0. Yes. What about 5 times negative 5 over 2 plus 5 times 3 over 2. So which is top, which is 0. Then bottom one and this one. See? Bottom and this is going to be 1. Okay. So actually we have no time. Okay, so let's see you at number 2, which is 3 by 3 matrix.